to see your TikTok performances versus average. So to check your TikTok performance against your average, you have to access the Content tab in TikTok Studio Analytics. TikTok provides aggregated account averages over 7, 28 or 60 days to benchmark individual videos. Now what you have to do is open the TikTok app in your device, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu at the top right corner of your screen, then tap TikTok Studio or Creator Tools. Now tap Analytics to open your dashboard. Then go to the Content tab to see your total videos, views and average metrics. Now from the Content tab, tap View All and select any specific video. Then underneath the video player, you will see key metrics like views, average watch time, watched full video percentage and likes. Just compare these numbers against the account-wide averages to see if the video is over or underperforming your baseline. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.